Data and analytics can be difficult to understand, but I encourage you, if you are an Instagram user who has made your account a business account, to use the insights that Instagram provides. These are great tools for learning more about your audience and learning more about what kind of content you can create to reach them. While it may seem complicated, it's actually quite simple and boils down to answering 3 simple questions. So I'm not going to go in depth and break down each analytic and what it means. I think that if you focus on answering these 3 questions, that understanding the data and analytics will be a lot more simple and easy. The first question you should answer using the insights provided on Instagram is, what kind of content is my audience engaging with most? So you want to look at the likes, the comments, the shares. The specific metrics that you're looking for do depend on what your goals of using the platform are. For example, if right now you're looking to grow your audience, then shares are a great metric to look at, and how many people are following your account as a result of a specific post. If you're getting a lot of shares or follows on a specific kind of post, then that can be a great indicator to keep creating more content like that, because it's helping you achieve your goals of using the platform. The second question you should be asking yourself by looking at Instagram insights is, who is my audience? Again, their engagement and the kinds of posts that are performing well can help tell you who your audience is. Now, Instagram does have some audience insights as well, which can give you a general overview, but I personally find that the posts that are performing best on your Instagram page give a better picture of who your audience is. For example, if you run an Instagram account and from time to time you post dog pictures, that can give you an indicator that maybe your audience is a fan of dogs, and maybe some of them are pet owners as well. From there, you can ask yourself, how can I tailor my content to pet owners or dog lovers? Now, this might not end up being the case, but you can test it and see if it works. I briefly mentioned this third thing earlier, but the third question you should be asking yourself from your Instagram insights is, what kind of content is getting me closer to my goals? You really want to make sure that you have a clear and specific goal of being on Instagram. Is it for more brand visibility? If so, then you want to make sure that the branded content and the branded posts you are making are performing well. If they're not performing well, then you want to think of ways that you can adjust that branded content in the future to improve its performance. If your goal is to get more followers and grow your audience right now, then you want to be looking for insights that are going to give you clues on how to do that. If you want a really engaged community, then you should be looking at engagement and the type of engagement you are trying to get, and look for clues on how you can continue to get that engagement and grow engagement in the future. So to recap, there are 3 questions that you should be asking yourself when looking at your Instagram insights to better understand the data and make it applicable. The first question, what kind of content performs best with my audience? The second question, who is my audience? The third question, what kind of content is getting me closer to my goals? If you apply the data and analytics that you learn from your Instagram insights and by answering those questions, then I'm confident you're going to see the growth and results that you're looking for.